Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to review the new Allure Beauty Box. This is the June 2020 edition. So if you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know what this box is, I'm assuming most of you guys do just by clicking on this video, but this is a monthly subscription service. This does cost $15 a month where you get about 5 to 6, sometimes 7 items in here. 2 to 3 tend to be full size, the rest are sample sizes. This is absolutely such a fantastic box. I really enjoy it. I've been getting it now since like January. Well, I've been getting it for like half a year now, and I really enjoyed this box for sure. So before I dive into this box, I've been getting so many questions asking me to update you guys on my face. And if you guys are new here, I shaved my face, I want to say over a month or so ago. I shaved my face. I followed a Jaclyn Hill tutorial where she shaved her face. I was absolutely petrified because I'm a pretty hairy girl. If you guys can't see all this hair here, look at that. I have a lot of hair. So I was really scared that by shaving my face, it was just gonna be like, man beard is what I really thought. However, I can safely say that since shaving my face, I have only had to touch it up one time. I've had to touch it up. Right now it is still so smooth, like a baby's bottom. I love it. I just use these little guys right here that you guys can find on Amazon or at any of your local drugstores, like this little shake razor. You go down, I will link the video that I did right up here, and down below I'll link Jaclyn Hill's video, you guys can watch it. But I've literally only had to touch up one time. The hair came back in like baby peach fuzz. It has not come in black, it has not come in thicker, it has not come in any other way than baby peach fuzz, and I love it. And I definitely can safely say that I will never go back. I mean, I've already shaved my face, so I'm not like I can go back. I can't just imagine make the hair appear, but I will never go back. I really love it. I love the way my makeup looks when it sits on top of it, like just a clean, smooth face. My makeup game has been so much better since I've shaved my face. So that is my update for you guys. I've gotten so many questions, so I feel like this whole week all I've done is just subscription boxes. Guys, I promise I am a makeup channel. I do. I can't say that without smiling. I do makeup reviews. However, there really hasn't been that many makeup launches. Now, I do have a couple things set aside to review for you guys, so I'm excited to dive into those. I did order the new ColourPop tie-dye collection. However, I was really slow on when it launched. It was a surprise, so I had no idea. So I was only able to snag the 3 palettes. I was not able to snag anything else. It already shipped, which is a first for ColourPop. So as soon as that comes in, I'll definitely have a video out for you guys. And then I have some cooler ones coming up as well. So with that said, let's get started. This box is actually pretty heavy, so I'm really curious to see what we got in here. So I'm just gonna take the lid off, and I like how they like wrap it like this, and I'm not gonna look, we're gonna like be surprised together. So this is the little catalog right here. On the inside they show you what you're gonna get and the price points for the full size items. They also tell you how the product works for them. I never bother reading how the product works for them just because laziness. So we're gonna dive in. The first item I see is one big size item. Oh, this is a full fucking size product. Oh my god, that just came right out. I apologize for my French. What? This is a full size. This is the Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, and purifies and energizes. And it's purifies and energizes, and it's for all skin types. Always free of parabens, mineral oil, and phthalates. It says the Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser is infused with white tea and whole oak to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. This soothing multitasker leaves skin pure, clean, free toxins without stripping away skin of natural oils. And then the ritual, because I guess you have to do it on a ritual, is used on damp skin and rinse lightly with warm water. I can't believe there's a full-size cleanser in here. Alright. I wonder if it smells good. They really like slam that in here. They really pack that in here. I have a few things from Pure Elise. I just think this is so cool. It's a full-size cleanser. Like, I can't get over that. I hope it smells like watermelon. Oh, it's clear. Did not, oh, I guess it has a little bit of a dark tinge for the charcoal. Let's put it in the back of the hand. Oh my God, bitch. It smells like watermelon. Oh my God. Oh my God, that smells pure. Purely amazing. I just want to like eat that up. Whoa. Don't like that. Don't like that. Tastes like my salty skin and chemicals. Don't like that. That's not good. Okay, so a quick little sidestep here. Not trying to advertise anything, but I am obsessed with Red Bull, or the watermelon Red Bull. I think it is just pure heaven in your mouth. And I know it's terrible to have, but Red Bull, if you ever see this, I will gladly take a sponsorship. I will just, people, whenever they come over to my house, they kind of laugh at my fridge because there's a whole top row dedicated to just Red Bull. I love Red Bull. I think just because as a server, especially as a server at Disney, you know, you get exhausted. My shifts start from 11 a.m. or technically 10:30, 10:45, and they'll go until park close. So if the park closes at like 9, 10, 11, we're going all the way to that time. I work over a 12-hour shift. I don't get breaks. I pee if I'm lucky. I eat if I'm lucky. And it can get really, really, really exhausting. So Red Bull has been my best friend and my savior. And I love it so much. So especially this watermelon flavor. Anyway, that's beside the point. If you guys want to try something really cool, go get a can of Truly. You can get like the watermelon and kiwi mix, but I personally recommend the wild berry Truly. Take a half can of the watermelon Red Bull. Take a half can of the Truly. You'll thank me later. That's all I'll say about that. This is awesome. That's so cool. That's so freaking cool. That makes me excited. Okay, now on to the next item. Eye contact. We have a Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. Soothing and hydrating aloe complex, dermatologically tested. Okay, so I guess it's just aloe vera. So the full size of this is $38. You can find it at Sephora. I guess this is just a soothing and hydrating aloe vera, I'm assuming. So I guess it's great on really hot summer days like it is here in Florida, where it's like 90 degrees. Ooh, wow. That smells so freaking good. Ooh. I wonder how that feels. Oh, that smells like pure heaven. That smells really, really good. No. Okay, well, this smells really good. I'm gonna sound a little stupid when I say this. I'm assuming this is just an aloe vera, or you can use it as a hydrator. I don't really know what other purpose it's for. The only thing I ever will say negatively when it comes to this type of subscription box, and like any subscription box out there, is when they just put the product in here without it actually being in like its packaging, like the box, because I don't really know what the product is for. Yes, it has like a little bit of tidbit right here, but the person says how it works for them, not necessarily how the product works. So this person right here, they said that they use it for their hair, which I think is fantastic, but I want to make sure that it's not just for your hair. I'm assuming it's just they apply it before their serum but before sunscreen, and their skin is instantly dewy. Okay, so yeah, so it's like a moisturizer. I'm assuming that's what it is, but that's really cool. A lot of skincare again. It's the year of the skincare. All right, the next product is from Yensa. This is the Super 8 lip oil right here. The full size of this is $28, and this is actually a full-size product. I know this is the full-size product because I actually already have one of these. I just want to make sure it's the right one, because if I already have one of these, I'll go ahead and add this to my no waste. Yep, yeah, so this right here, this is the full-size product right here. I can safely say this product smells so good. It actually tastes pretty delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday because I already have this oil. So there's no point in me keeping it at again, because I have a lot of lip oils over on the side of my desk because I'm finishing up cleaning up this beauty room so I could finally show you guys the tour. And this oil is like in that box over there, so I don't feel like digging for it. But yay, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. That's exciting. All right, the next product. Oh my gosh, this is another full-size product. It is, this is nail mabobs thingies. Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. The full size of this is $9, and oh, it's like Color Street, so you put it on. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday, and the reason being is that I actually tried out one of these things before from Color Street. It was a beautiful tie-dye one. Like, I was so like, oh my god, it was so pretty. Unfortunately, I have kind of like weird small nails, and when I went to go put it on, it just didn't fit right, and I ended up tearing most of them. Like, they didn't like stay on, and like when you went to go file it down, wrap around the nail, went to go file it down, it just like tore. Did not look pretty. I struggled with it so bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday, because I know that I would never get a use out of it, and hopefully somebody else will. But I think that's so cool. Already we are 3 full-size products. Allure. What? Oh, and I forgot to say that this lip oil right here is $28. So that's so cool. All right, the next product. Ooh, okay. This is a skin product. You are the Shang Spa Care System. This is the Gold Black Pearl Eye Masks, and it says, enriched with black pearl, gold, and rose ingredients, this advanced concentrated essence helps improve firmness, smooths fine lines, reduces puffiness, and diminishes dark circles for brighter and more youthful looking eye. That is so cool. Okay, so whoa. Okay, so this is just a single. I'm assuming just a single, because the full size looks like it comes in a container, and that retails for $60. Insane. So I'm definitely going to give this a try, especially since I really do have some pretty tight, see right there? I have some crow's feet. I'm assuming that's what people always call them, right? And I have wrinkles around my eyes, and you know, it's bound to happen. I didn't really think that it looked that bad, right? And I know it really doesn't, but when I went and looked at some of my photos from when I was 18, I was like, oh, you can see that I've aged. Like, you really can. And you know what? That's okay. It's part of life. Like, I completely understand. Like, I love how I look now, especially how I compared to myself at 18. Like, I'm actually getting a little bit of boobies. Like, that's a first. Like, they're slowly coming in now at the age of 30. I'm like, where have these girls been? Because, like, where were you in high school? Because you definitely were not there. You know, I mean, did I stuff from time to time? Who hasn't? Who hasn't? But that's actually really cool. I'm going to give this a try for sure. I don't really know how many's in here. I'm assuming it's just one. It has like a really weird like texture in here, but that's exciting. That's really cool. All right, and the last product. Would you get out? Okay. All right, it's another face product. Okay, so this is the Star Skin 100% Camilla Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. This retails for $10. So this is another full-size product. It starts off with an oil and then the mask. So like, it shows you all the steps you guys do right here. It's a 2-part step. That is so cool. I actually like the fact that it's 2 parts. Okay, so this Star Skin mask features one big difference. It comes with a vial of pure Camilla seed oil to boost its hydrating effects. This oil is naturally packed with fatty acids, which helps to plump up even super dry skin, and antioxidants. First, you apply the oil all over your face, then you put on the sheet mask, which has niacinamide, which is fantastic for me because large pores, sodium hyaluronic, and even more Camilla oil. Open up the sheet mask section before you apply the oil because your hands be slippery. Whoa. Okay, so this definitely has a lot of benefits to it. I wish it really said on the back what else is in here. I can say that it says it's travel friendly right here, so you can take this on the travel. It's safe for all skin types, and yeah, this is actually really intriguing. I actually like trying out face masks, so I'm excited to give this a go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 items in here, and 4, and I mean 4, are freaking full size. That is so insane. 4 full size items in here. What? For $15, I get 4 full size items. Like, that is so freaking cool. We get 2 little sample size, 4 full size. That is sick. Now, granted, Granted, we only got one makeup product. The rest was skincare minus the nails. Everything else was skincare. But I understand that so many of these brands are having a hard time getting makeup because a lot of companies are not producing a lot of makeup right now. It's probably very difficult with COVID going on right now to get things shipped over here, there. Like, I understand that it's very difficult for these companies to get a hold of a lot of makeup. So I'm very, very understanding of that. And I think that for them, maybe they're viewing it as an opportunity for us to pamper ourselves. They don't know me. My idea of pampering is, I don't know, playing The Sims and laying on the bed and binge watching TV shows. That's my pamper idea. But I am very, very appreciative of the fact that they are putting in some full-size products in here for sure. And they're trying to make it the best that they can. And I'm very, very understanding of that. Now, I think I got this in Allure Beauty Box. Or no, it must have been my Ipsy. I don't know, but I know this oil is absolutely fantastic. So I'm really excited to add this to my No Waste Wednesday, along with these beautiful nails right here. Everything else, I'm excited to play around with. I just think I still can't get over there's a full-size skincare product in here. Like a full-size facial cleaner. I think that is so freaking cool. And the rest are masks. So see, I love my Allure Beauty. I think Allure Beauty is so much fun. I really, really enjoy this box. For $15, they never disappoint me. Like, I've never been like, this is shit. Like, I haven't been like, this is so horrible. Now, my Birchbox this month, that was a different story. But this one I've actually generally been happy with. So thank you so much, Allure Beauty. I'm so glad I paid $15 for this. This was freaking awesome. Yeah, I am going to go and enjoy this beautiful sunny day here in Florida. For once, it's not raining, and that says a lot because it rains all the time here in Florida. So I'm going to go out and enjoy it. And I hope you guys seriously have a wonderful day. If you are watching this right now, just know that I'm sending special vibes to you to say how much I love you. I hope you're gonna have a very, very beautiful weekend. Also, guys, I will link down below my Jeffree Star cremated palette giveaway. If you guys have not watched the video, it'll be down below so you guys can go see how you guys get into that how you guys can go into that giveaway, because Monday is the last day. I will be picking my winner Tuesday morning, or like right after 12 a.m. Monday night, because it ends Monday 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yep, I'll have the winner picked. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, so I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with amazing fiance Corey here in Florida when we're, living life. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Only you can prevent forest fires. I freaking love this shirt. I'm not trying to show off my barely there titties. I'm just showing off my cute little tank top. I think it's so adorable. Interesting. Yeah. Embarrassing. Okay. Let me boom 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 no. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? I always say that so loudly. Hey guys. Okay. Okay. Or boxes, like when it comes like I think sometimes you might get lucky and they throw in 3 firmness. Suze. Can you read? Yes. It's Traded Essentials. This.
Telling him this for years. He just feels guilty because he busted up my parents' marriage.
All right. Time to edit. No.